guys, so we're gonna make origami again. So it's a flapping butterfly, ninja butterfly. So this is the tutorial of this one. So this one, the dollar one, it's time. So let's get started. So wait, set up folder. I already full diagonal half. So folder half. I mean this. So like that. So I have put from this corner to this corner and repeat behind. Okay, so open in here, over to the down. No, flat it. So here's your water bomb base. That. Oh, you like that. Okay. Okay. So from this edge to this edge, all the layers, but make a pitch mark in the middle. Okay. Fold over. Oh, my camera just fold. Up. That. And I'm gonna fix my camera and like that. So turn over to the edge. So reverse fold. So like that. Reverse fold. Like reverse. So open the flaps and we need to seek this crease. So open. So I need to pitch first. Okay, and let's make us pull and push this flap to down. Okay, now fold it down, make a pitch work, fold this edge to this pitch work. Now from this edge, so for this edge to here. Like that. And fold over to this crease. So like that. So squash fold this one. Okay, like that. Okay, like that. And repeat on here. Okay, like that. So fold. So turn over and fold. And half. Now fold over this point to this point. So like this. Over to this point. Okay, like that. And repeat on here. Okay, so cover the camera. Okay, so it's actually flappy. So try to flap. Okay, if you want the tail, this tail, so now, fold it down. So for this flap up, just lift up. So for this edge to its side. So actually there's a crease. Like that. So for this to this point. So how much? To what? So lift this up to this point or watch at the point like that. So if it's over this point, it's gonna be flat. Okay. So repeat on this side. Okay, like that. So before this. Okay. So let's see if it's actually still holding. Okay. So where's the tail? So I don't know how to fold the tail. Okay, let's fold this. So fold this edge to this edge. So be careful to tear. I have coughed it. And again, so this crease, so this crease aligns with this edge. Okay, if you want to refold it, and there's the tail. And if you want to unfold this first, and refold it over to the tail. So I want this first to fold it here. Okay, like that. Okay, like that. Okay, refold it. So it's getting harder. So I why. So we fold this flap. We fold this flap. We fold it. Okay, like that. Okay.
Maghapon ng tuloy-tuloy ang buhos ng ulan dito sa probinsya ng Ilocos Sur. Sa mga oras na ito ay mataas at malakas ang alon sa mga baybayin.
Okay.
Malakas pa rin ang mga alon na nagpaalon pa ng mga troso at basura sa dalampasigan ng Pasukin, Ilocos Norte. May banta pa nga ng storm surge kaya pa nasa labas na ng Philippine Area of Responsibility ang Bagong Ente. Kaya nangangambang mga taga-post sa barangay
Okay.
dahil po sa pag-aas ng mga alon kasi masisira ng mga ano dito. Apat na barangay ang binabantayan sa ngayon ng MBRRMO dahil sa banta ng storm surge. Ang mga bahay kasi ay ilang metro lamang ang layo mula sa baybayin. Dahil sa sama ng panahon, may 1,000 lang hindi nakakapalaot ang 800 mangingisda sa Pasukin, Ilocos Norte. Habang sa
Okay.
Bantalang landslides naman ang binabantayan ng mga otoridad sa mga bayan ng Suyo at Cervantes sa Ilocos Sur. Pinag-iingat din ang mga coastal barangay sa Tanmiyo at bawal din pumalaot dahil sa gale warning. Binasa naman ang biyahe.
So I want to shape the tail. So just pictures. So just fold this edge to this edge. That and reverse it. Like that. Okay, repeat. Okay, pitch this area. So you need to curve it like that. So this one is curved. So if you curve this one, it will flap the feet. Okay. Okay, that's only unused on my TV. It's harder than I really. Like that. Okay, I want to curve this over this. Wait, so curve it. And I curve this point. Curve this. And repeat. This behind. Like that. And like that. Repeat. Feet are here. So just put behind this and this. Repeat. Okay. So you're done. Ninja butterfly. So hold in the second flap like that. Separate it. And it's actually working. But this flapping butterfly, it will be next time. Okay, so goodbye. Okay.